to get some, what is it called? Dog shampoo, which is in one of these aisles. And then we're gonna get some food. Have you ever shopped at Target? Leave a comment below if you have. Is your eye okay?
I'm peachy. I rinsed it out. But it stung more than having regular human shampoo.
Oh my god. We were in the dog shampoo aisle. We were taking a sniff on all the dog shampoo and I accidentally squeezed some into his eye. So he had to go to the bathroom to wash out his eye because I squeezed like a little tiny bit into his eye and then he's like, oh my god, my eye. So, and he's like, I think I have to wash my eye. So that's what happened in the dog shampoo aisle. So we're getting yogurt today because they're on sale. Yeah. Which ones do you want to get? See, this is buy 4 and you get 1 free. I like Yoplait. Oh yeah, we have to get Lala's yogurts. They're on sale too right now. Ooh, that's mango. Let's do mango and, oh my god. Wow, we're having that kind of morning or shopping trip. And then the strawberry ones. And there's 5% protein on them. They said they're actually 50% off. So, with the cartwheel deal. So, yeah. So if you guys ever go to Target to buy some groceries, make sure you guys check the cartwheel deal on a Target app. So it's like a coupon. Yeah. And some yogurts are actually 50% off. So that's why we're here this morning. And we like yogurt. So there's light and then there's regular, but they're both the same price. So I think we're good. Okay, my snacks. I don't know, I'm kind of tempted to get some sandwich meat, but...
Get deli meat or any kind of sandwich meat. We're going to have to buy bread as well.
Yeah. Okay, they're well... so cute. Look at... Ready for Thanksgiving, right? Oh, look at the pumpkins. I love pumpkins. Oh, I was gonna make pancakes. Pumpkin pancakes. Can we get a can of pumpkin?
Sure, why not?
Okay. I knew I forgot something. Yeah. She owns like the pink one.
What shade of pink?
It was like hot pink instead of baby pink. So Dash is one of the kitchen companies that I follow on Instagram and they're super clearance right now at Target. I don't understand why, but that's a great price. And for a popcorn maker. Wow. Okay, so we got some pumpkins so that we could actually do some pumpkin, what is it called? Pumpkin pancakes. We could do pumpkin cakes and pumpkin loaves and stuff like that since we like pumpkin. Interesting. Have you guys ever tried these Moonshine teas? They're like 25% off on Cartwheel. And I'm finally gonna try it. Okay. We were able to find them at the cafe, but not at the regular drink aisle for some reason. We're done with our Target run and we're just back. and let's chase the flavor of haters. Judy Ann here from Just8Ate. Not haters, haters, like 8TER. Yeah. Anyway, so today we went to Target earlier and we got these drinks. I've been waiting for these drinks to be on the shelf, and there goes Fifi on the couch. I don't know if you saw. But anyway, so these have been on Cartwheel coupon deals. It's an app that you download on your phone, and if you shop at Target, you get discounts. And these were 25% off, and they've been having that discount for a very, very long time. But for some reason, I couldn't find these anywhere in my Target store, you know, my local Target store. And so finally today, as you saw earlier, and or later, depending on the editing, we finally found these. Ta-da! So we're gonna be going ahead and trying this out. So Luis got the original, and then I got the mint honey. I don't know if you could see that, but yeah, and I like mint teas, mint honey teas. And so the fact that these are called Moonshine is what turned me on. First of all, because I like moonshine. I've tried moonshine before. For those who know what that is, please leave a link below if you've ever tried moonshine, like the real moonshine. But then there's the moonshine tea. So yeah, go ahead and leave a link, leave a comment below if you've ever tried this drink. But yeah, I'm gonna give this a try. I even like their packaging and their, what do you call that? Their label, and their lettering and graphics and all of that. What the heck?
He did. That's the reason why.
Okay, so we just had a van pull by, just drove by our house. And the thing is, as I saw a white van drive by, this is like all natural right now. It's not scripted or anything, it's impromptu right now. But anyway, so in my town, there's been helicopters up in our area. Oh God, another white van. And I'm just paranoid, I guess, because they were saying in the news about how there was a girl that was walking home from her high school or middle school, I can't remember which, but she was trying to walk home from school, and a white van, I call it a molester van, but a white van literally swooped her and tried to grab her leg and try to kidnap her. But thank God, thank you Lord Jesus, thank you Lord Jesus, thank you Lord Jesus, she was able to escape from the man. And so now our local police, and like even the helicopter was actually firefighters that was helping out the police in our county to look for this white molester van. So now when I saw a white van by my house, I'm like, ah, why are you stopping by my house? Anyway, so I'm gonna give this a try. Yeah, from the first gulp, it's really good. Gosh, it's circling back and forth, huh? It's kind of scary. But this is really good. Yeah, and what's even cooler is I donate money to the Make-A-Wish Foundation, because I'm a believer in donating money. Or you're donating your time, your energy, your, you know, just donating period is good for the universe, good for the community and all of that. And so it's kind of cool that this Moonshine company is partnered with Make-A-Wish Foundation. So anywho, hopefully you guys try this. And it's actually, it's kind of funny because Moonshine is known for alcoholic drinks. Moonshine is made sometimes in someone's backyard. Those are like the best. But anywho, this one says non-alcoholic because it's purely tea, and I recommend it for everyone. Anyway, so now Luis is gonna try his moonshine.
Hey Aiders, this is Luis from Just8Ate.com, and I'm here to try the lip-smacking Good Moonshine sweet tea, and it's the original. So let's go ahead and give it a whirl. Shaking the bottle so that all of the ingredients can be well mixed and well combined. So there's a burst of flavor in every sip or in every drink. Before I begin, for a person that's not really enamored or not partial to tea, any kind of tea, sweet tea or unsweetened tea, I have to say that with the first impression, that this tea is tasty. It's good. So Judy Ann and I are curious. Do you like to drink tea? If so, what's your favorite tea drink or tea beverage? We would love to know that. Please leave the answer down in the comment section below.
It's tasty.
It's not too bitter.
That's a Nikki Limo line.
It's not too rich. It's not too full of flavor. But I would recommend it.
Ophelia, Fifi.
So tell me, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment down below.
What does it taste like?
It's smooth, it's creamy,
Yeah.
but it doesn't taste like strawberry.
Because you got the mango one.
Well, how funny is that?
That was my flavor. And you're meant to take this one.
Well, I guess I'll be trying it again.
Okay. And?
That's more like it.
You like it? Would you get it again?
It tastes like strawberry because it is strawberry. I would buy it again. I'm content with how it tastes. It's smooth, it's creamy, it's milky, and it has 5 grams of protein.
Nice.
So it's a good source of protein.
Cool. Trying this smoothie for the first time. I've always seen Lala's yogurt in a lot of like Hispanic grocery stores and stuff, but this time we got it at Target. And so anyway, we're gonna try the tropical mango first, because that was my choice, that flavor of choice. Oh, I like it. It says Lala for life. It was so funny. So, you know, my mom's name is Lala. I will leave her link in one of these corner boxes so you guys can check her channel. But yeah, this is good. I would get this again. And it's 50% off with Cartwheel at Target, so why not? Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna try his flavor. This is Luis's flavor. This is strawberry banana cereal. I like the packaging too. It's cute. I like the mango better. It's just, I don't know. kind of tired out with the whole strawberry banana, you know. So, okay. This is a winner. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah. This is a wah, wah. Anyway. Hopefully you guys try these sometime.
Bye, Ader.